Want to take user input and store it in an array in Python? I will show you step by step in just 3 minutes. In many projects, you will want to take values from users and store them efficiently in Python. We use lists as arrays. Let's take 5 numbers from the user one by one and store them inside a list, which works like an array in Python. Numbers equal empty list. We start with an empty list called numbers. This is where we will store all the user input. For I in range 5, this loop runs 5 times. Suppose we want 5 inputs. The variable I keeps track of each round. Number equal int input, enter a number. Inside the loop, we ask the user to enter a number and convert that input into an integer using int. Numbers.append number. Then we use the append function to add that number to our list. Print you entered numbers. Save and run. Enter a number. 2. Enter. Again enter a number. 5. Again enter a number. 7, 8, 0. You entered 2, 5, 7, 8, 0. Finally, we print the full list of numbers the user entered. Part 2. Input all values in one line using split. Numbers equal list map int comma input enter numbers dot split. Input enter numbers. This asks the user to enter several numbers all in one line separated by spaces. Dot split. The split method breaks the input strings into individual parts, separating by spaces by default. Map int. We use map int to convert every string number into an integer. List. We wrap the map with list to turn the result into a list. Print array, comma, numbers. Save and run. Okay, I am going to comment out part 1. Select part 1. Control plus // part 1 is commented out. Now save and run. Enter numbers. 9, give space. Again enter number. 5, give space. 7, whatever you want. 1, space 0. Now you can enter. Array is 9, 5, 7, 1 and 0. And we display the final list which contains all user inputs. Quick recap. Use a for loop with append when you want to take inputs one by one. Use the split plus map trick when you want to take all inputs in one line. Both methods are super useful and used in real world coding. Hope you understood how to take user input into an array. Like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Master of Data Science Daily Python Tips.